my channel. I'm so excited about this video. It's my first video of 2018, and so I'm so excited to start this YouTube journey with you guys. So the first look, I definitely had to do my everyday glam look, you know? And this is what I call just a really natural, bronzy, glowy look. I didn't even apply lashes or liner. So it's super easy, definitely beginner makeup artist or just someone who's interested in getting into makeup could definitely pull this off. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. So I'm starting off with my Match Master by MAC in the color 6.0 on my Wet Beauty Blender. I'm just going to apply that all over my face and blend it in really well to make sure that I have a very even and thin layer of foundation all over my face. You want to make sure that you're covering all angles of your face, including into your neck and up into your hairline. Next, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in a shade 25 Medium and apply that under my eyes. This is to highlight. A little product goes a long way, but you do want to make sure that it is enough to do the job. So I'm going to apply that to both sides under my eye. I'm going to go down the center of my nose, to the top of my forehead, and then to the bottom of my chin. We're going to go ahead and use that same Wet Beauty Blender and blend out that concealer under our eyes. Remember, blending is the most important part of makeup applications. You want to blend it until you can't blend anymore. And this is what's going to give you that flawless, no harsh lines finish to your face. Okay, make sure we blend out all of the concealer. And we just want it to look like skin. You don't want it to look like a lot of cakey makeup. This is, you know, an everyday look. We're going to now contour, and I'm going to use my Black Radiance True Complexion Cream Contour Palette. I got this at Walmart. I'm going to go in with the Sculpt color, which is the lighter brown. And then we're going to apply that to our cheekbones, okay? And that's what we're trying to carve out. I'm just using a regular flat Real Techniques foundation brush that I also purchased from Walmart. That lighter shade was not enough. I went in with the darker the contour shade. And I'm just going to go ahead and contour my face. We're going to do our forehead, make sure we do our cheekbones. And we're going to go down the sides of our nose to give you that really snatched, contoured look for your nose. I go into my brow because I do like a really dramatic look, and I also like the way that it opens my face. It really shapes my face really well. I got this trick from Rennie Vasquez, who is one of my favorite makeup artists, influencers. So now we're going to use that same beauty blender and blend out this contour. When I tell you this is the most important thing in my makeup bag is this beauty blender. You can get yours from any beauty supply store, or I got this one from Walmart too. I love it. It's really airy and it's just big enough to blend it out very evenly. So we're going to blend out all of the contour shades, and don't worry about it. I'm not too big into making sure that I blend really neatly. Just get into those areas that you really want to concentrate in and make sure that those areas are really blended out. Remember, we're making this look like skin. This is not a cakey look at all. Okay? So now we're going to set our highlight. I'm going to use my Airspun powder, which I purchased from Target. And with the same beauty blender, I'm going to tap and press this in under my eye. I don't believe in just slapping a big piece of powder under my eye like that. You really have to press it in so it serves its purpose and it really sets that highlight. Now to carve out that cheekbone even more, we're going to drag some powder under our cheekbone to set that and let that bake. Now it's time for brows, guys. My favorite part. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. pomade, and I'm going to use a flat angle brush and apply that in a very thin stroke. Okay, I start at the end of my brow and I work my way in. So you repeat the same step on the opposite side. Fill in that brow. Remember, very thin strokes with very little amount of product. You can always add more. Work your way to the front of the brow, and then fill in the top of your brow, and then all the little spaces in between. Light strokes, guys, light strokes. It's very important to blend out this product as well. So I do spoolie it a lot to make sure that it gets through. This is a really cheap brush or inexpensive brush that I got from Milani. Next, we're going to clean up our brow. I'm going to use the same Fit Me concealer with a just a regular flat angle brush that I got from Walmart. A little product to clean up under those brows. And my brows are not done right now, so they're a little thick, but I actually like it when they get this way. Apply the same technique on the other side of your face, the other brow. Just like that. Using only the amount of product left on the brush, you can go and clean up the top of the brow. That way you don't have any halo brows, if you know how much we hate halo brows. So we're going to highlight now. The best part of makeup to me. What's life without a dope ass highlight, huh? So I'm going to use my Anastasia Glow Kit with a more fluffy blending brush. And I just love the way that this glides on my skin when I'm applying my highlight. So I'm just going to apply that to the high points of my face, my cheekbones, the tip of my nose. I'm also going to go down the bridge of my nose just a bit, my forehead, and I'm going to do my Cupid's bow. I love the way it gives me that glowy look. Now we're going to dust our face with a little All-Nighter by Urban Decay. And now it's time for our lips. So I'm just going to use some brown eyeliner, lip liner by NYX, and it's called Brown. And apply that to my lip. This is my favorite lip liner. I always keep it in my purse. It gives you the perfect, it's perfect for any nude anytime. It doesn't matter if it's a pink nude, if it's a nude. And this is just going to give you exactly what you're looking for.
And there you have it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon. XO Chan.